stream button. Streams live, I think. I hope it should be. But
I don't know, Kara just pulling up on him.
yeah,
What the fuck?
Well.
I hope
Who
Rift
showed
Draft's turning up now. Tinfoil on their heads.
You specialising in those tiny PvP blasters.
Jesus Christ, I can't even trust you guys around like that.
So yeah, stream's on. Not sure what we're gonna do tonight. We've got no Alex, got no Duck. So yeah, it's we don't have anybody else to carry us. I get that on so you can see my ugly mug in corner. Make sure that it is an actual human streaming. They're not AI. I imagine if AI could stream games. I think that's how the female streams are going to turn. They're going to have the AI bot just sit there and read chat and answer questions. That's the next thing, because they're already got AI outside of them. I might have to make my own AI bot. Be in with the crew. All the cool kids. Right. Yeah. I think mission briefing's at a quarter, so I've got 13 minutes for that. I'm just gonna run back down there and mingling with everybody and unmute myself. So yeah, I see you.
Right, keep him on, so I can see what I'm doing. It's nighttime out after all.
You gotta be able to see him, alright?
Driving down the road. Hey, I wonder why we keep getting ambushed. Some fucking high beams on.
You think they know we're here?
I think the only thing would have made that better if we had automatic indicators for the fucking warrior. Just giant fucking amber lights.
Gonna brief now.
Jesus.
Nah.
Right, it's time some fun.
Somebody said quarter two. Oh,
Where's,
okay.
where's the bugs?
Yeah, I reckon it's going. I think people we joined kind of late today, so.
Good shoot on the radio, wasn't it?
Yeah, not sure how today's gonna go.
Your penguin, fucking put that shit on safe. The fucking lock and stole that shit, motherfucker. What the fuck are you doing?
For some reason, my typing comes through my mic really clearly, and I'm not sure why.
Bro, is your fucking keyboard submerged in water? What the fuck are you typing on?
A laptop.
Alright, oh, yeah.
Put your sensitivity up.
Yeah, no, I'm using a laptop.
Fuck. Turn down the game.
Yeah, maybe.
Turned down the
Sorry
game
about
and
that.
walks away. What a fucking guy he is.
Oh, I don't think I fucking can.
How you doing?
Alright, don't worry, infantry guys. You'll be happy to know you've got 2 bulldogs today to turn out of.
Fuck yeah. Also, weird sense of deja vu.
Oh?
Okay, there's a setting that says that it gets rid of typing. Let's see how well that works.
I'm so curious.
What,
to
are you
see
typing
how
right
this
now?
whole system goes.
Seems effective so far.
Oh shit! They found me!
What? Oh god.
Ow.
Penguin, you fucking retard!
That's gonna be a clip, that.
Well, it works.
What is Penguin? Is Penguin a ranger?
Who's bleeding?
As a recruit, that's right, okay. Have you done your IUTI?
I think so.
I think
yeah.
you are.
Did you not change the
I am.
button?
No, you're not.
I don't think it did.
That's the first thing you do in
I would-
IUTR.
To be fair, I never changed it either. I just don't
You have
fucking
failed
press it.
IUTR.
To be fair,
No.
I
What's
changed
the
it because
requirement
I
I
can't trust myself to not hurl grenades at people. Mostly because I think I'm funny.
That'll good, that.
Let's go.
Like a motherfucker. I cannot press that shit. My grenade button's on 5.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I mean, I
You
guess
thought
I
of
could
it.
see that.
My weapon's all on the numbers on the top. Why the
Yeah,
fuck?
I guess
Why
I
is
can
grenade
see
not
that.
fucking weapon.
G for grenade.
Yeah, but like it's too close to F. I'm gonna fuck shit up.
Eh,
Too close to B.
I'm surprised that's the first. That's the first time I've thrown a grenade by accident, though. So
Let's just be proud of it.
Premature nades. We got
Yeah,
like 20
okay.
Grenades.
clips of APDS, 20 of HE. Is that
Where the fuck
too
is
much?
Tiger? Oh, there he is. Oh shit! I've been harassed.
I don't know if
Okay.
LSS is on today.
That was,
I don't have my what?
What kind of fucking sick turnout is this? KRH
He's not
stacked in
on the
numbers.
server yet.
LSS not here. This isn't how it normally is.
I guess Leo Min for now.
Why does it look like we're currently having to stand up against the infantry?
Come again?
Just staring at each other, not daring
Yeah.
to mingle.
Alright.
This does look like a fucking gang war, to be honest.
Here, red hat. It's red versus comp.
Stumpy L85s versus everyone else.
L22. Let's go.
Yeah. My backpack.
We're getting new guy tonight.
Alright, let's stop this gang war. What's up with you, lot? Bobby, how you
Which is
feeling?
a flop.
Nothing wrong
Very
here.
romantical.
Wait,
Yeah.
what? Why did you just push an interview on me like that, bro? What the fuck?
Very
Now
romantical.
kiss.
You don't know that meme?
Kiss she's over there dictating. She's just in the theatre currently.
I'll be
What
back.
the fuck?
Bye.
Right. What?
Oh.
What? Time to get romantic. Oh, what?
I killed him.
I can
Do not violate his corpse.
I mean, have you heard the phrase? If they don't say no to tea, give them tea.
Something upgrade package.
I,
That had like.
Come on, Crispy. Think about how tempting it is.
And I also remember it had
Going
like
on now.
the
Exactly.
night vision for it.
You didn't deny it. I take victory. Hey, Bugs. Hey, best friend.
Yeah. I'm.
Hello, hello.
I kinda wish
hi,
we
Can you hear me?
had this,
Pardon?
Wow.
Hold on. Let me.
It's not even the thing
Let me.
we love.
How the hell do you jump?
Shiffy.
How the hell?
Yeah, but you gotta run and do it at the same time.
Yep.
Whoa. Okay.
go into the medical tent to get healed.
Yeah.
Where's Ives?
Hello, Aris, behind you.
Hello.
Hello.
That's crazy.
Here you can take loadout.
Ives, join me in taunting. I mean, talking to Bugs.
Oh shit, oh he's actually here.
On
Yeah,
loadouts,
okay,
then go
okay.
defaults.
Hi, hi.
And you can take rifleman
Yeah.
or
Yeah,
gun carrier.
Looking cool. Look at that helmet.
God,
Thank you,
we're
thank
just
you.
adding
It's got the
this
wrong
into
number on it, I'm
everyone.
not gonna lie.
Like
Wait,
big
right,
lights and
include the
Yeah,
not
free
section.
Oh, Stratus, remove your fucking
This is
NVG.
after one went down
Grenadier.
collapse on us
Yes,
yesterday.
Grenadier or
I
rifleman.
remember now.
Whatever you want.
We need 4 vehicle crews.
Okay, we'll take a rifle.
Before we can get the
Okay.
Sweet.
Get the rifle.
Yes.
Nice. Now open your radio.
Not that Harris
I
is
set
deciding
them
whether to be a
4-2
loader today or it's going to be
frequency.
folded into the infantry later, so depending on what he wants to do.
What was that, Jim?
40.
4-2.
Oh yeah, he's
You
gonna
see
have
in
a
the
good
chat?
time.
42.
At the beginning he gets a cannon, at the end he gets a GPMG. A
Yeah.
Mugger.
Yeah.
give me 50 cal.
Did you check?
Well, you can get
Let's
that
check.
50 cal if you're in the KRA.
Part 2 check.
I also
You don't
take
need
blue
those
card.
Yeah, I know.
Did you know the... What else is a 50? Oh, the Bulldogs have
Bobby,
50
can you
cals.
repeat?
Take blue
You
card.
can have a 50
You're in the
cal.
blue team.
Blue,
Yeah.
okay.
And now I'm
And
gonna
you
wait for the
charge
brief.
with the 50 cal.
Let's go.
At the same time.
45.
You get to choose who you shoot.
Folks, don't do it. You won't be allowed into vehicles.
I mean, we're missing our section commander and Toy. See what they're gonna do tonight.
You're in charge.
Yeah, I guess. We'll see.
It's fun in here. We have fun.
We'll
We have
snuff a
good time.
medic if I'm in charge.
Oh shit.
So yeah.
Isn't it a bit tempting though?
I mean, Zul is qualified as a medic.
Come
Right,
on.
Zul?
I am.
So it's your job if I need to be IC. Are you ready?
No, because I don't have a kit for being a medic.
I can share you mine.
Bugs, what would you want me to do for you to be in KRH? What services can I provide for you?
Any service.
Anything you can do.
Why is the
Name your
AO half the
price.
map? I'm gonna cry.
This could be you, but where'd he go?
That's not so late, everywhere.
Also, Aris, do you have C-Tab?
Phone in 10 seconds could be you, Bugs. That could
It's
be
a little
you.
monitor. C-Tab. Like a telephone.
Thinking about it, Bugs.
Inventory.
No, C-Tab.
No.
No, he's
Shut
trying
up.
to get on my head. He's trying to get on top of me. Bugs, that could be you. On top of me.
Just got a cruise.
What is
Like you broke a leg or something there.
It's like
Unless you want me
telephone.
on top of you.
I'm good
You
now.
can see in the real time.
To get within vehicles, I want you to have
You
fun.
probably don't
Hey,
have
man.
activated.
I'm willing.
I
to
haven't.
Have you heard about
So go to controls.
the Industrial
and configure
Revolution and
adapters.
its
You're
You're gonna get
consequences?
accused of soliciting.
Tell me when you.
No.
Hopefully my face is working.
In add-on,
That was just super random, that.
it's a big tab.
What are you doing, Black?
Oh god, it's worse. It's worse than I thought.
Can you find it?
Kill Blackface.
No, C-Tab. Small C.
It's meant to be
We
Ted
can all be
Look at the
together
chat.
here.
It's your old 2IC.
Look for
It's
this.
Harris. You don't know him yet.
Alright, you guys could join.
But he's really cool.
I'm just I'm
Yes.
not an anarchist. I'm just racist.
I am
Just
there.
fine.
That's what's
Okay,
happened.
So you see, it's a
The face
the
didn't
face
work.
is probably on H.
Oh god!
Change it to
On
J
basically all the ones
here,
that have things.
so you can activate
the
it.
jump.
Just same as
in case.
medical.
I know,
Ju-
don't
Change it
you
to
think
any
it's
button you
better
want.
to-
Just in case
my
it
God.
would
For
be
me, it's
useful.
J. For me, it's this button.
Yeah.
Folks, these are the sort of decisions you could make.
I am in
Like,
the
I forgot
add-on.
to-
Right,
M2
I forgot to
people.
bring grenades.
Not in the control.
Gant,
you,
if
you
you guys
want
could
to go to
join
control.
my group, please.
I know what someone does thinking.
Think about how good it is.
And then you have
Oh
add-on
no,
big,
my
and then you find the C-line.
Thank you.
We'll see.
Join the
So next up.
No, join me.
Where we're joining? About it. It's 10
Join
one
me.
week.
Are we joining you?
I like
New
that
section,
style,
join me.
Bugs, that
you
style.
can put
Oh
me
god, look at your crotch to do that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Does
Don't
anyone
let
even
rain
know-
in the
Oh,
I look to this, but
in the infantry?
That's fine as well.
are you still having me on blue team?
Yeah, okay, now I see.
Yeah.
Dude.
Just one sec.
big
Sorry,
fan.
Visit. What
Yeah.
are you doing?
Join my group and then go blue team, please.
Look, look,
What do you want radio on?
3 of your best friends in one
32,
section.
as usual.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's 42, is it?
Okay,
We are changing sections. We're going to Vases. Follow me.
we'll stay on 4-2 then.
Join my section.
You didn't care
Look
for
at
us.
us.
Ready, check.
Look me in the
Aye.
eye and tell me you don't want this.
I can't even see your eyes.
We're staying on
Your hands are
43.
fucking way.
No, we're going to 4-2.
When you press J, you have a little telephone.
Oh,
You
he's
see?
diluted with the
Yeah, yeah.
meter. Holy shit.
Zulu.
You see in the real life time.
Yep.
Where we moving.
Who
Gonna be switching you out with Eris, so you're gonna be red team. Sorry.
Okay,
I took a screenshot for him.
sorted.
I'll show it to
Also,
you.
Visit, what's my role? Medic or grenadier?
Run grenadier, please. Man is running medic.
Like, where,
No, man, if you could go red team as well.
Ah,
And
don't
then
worry, we're doing the
Eris
challenge
can
now.
go blue team. And make sure you guys are on 42 short range.
Bugs, just go grab
Wow,
a crew
full
member, come on,
section.
Just go grab a crew member.
Winning.
At what cost?
At what
Wait,
cost?
you said your fucking name yet. Like, they don't care about it. We do. We want
Looks like it's briefing time. What's over?
Right, perfect.
Yeah,
We'll
one
sort out
minute.
equipment after the
Not
briefing,
tonight,
so
not tonight.
let's get to the briefing room first.
Okay.
Fucking bounced off your head.
Roger Dodger.
Fucking bounced off your head.
What bounced off my head?
Come on, you
I
fucking
did.
gaggle of fucking
Oh.
people.
What are you doing on my head
Animal,
anyway?
all of you.
It's just fucking running off the barrier.
I've got this amalgam blob of fucking idiots behind me.
Well, that didn't work.
There's always one.
Alright, do we have everybody here? Still waiting on that one person who's slowly approaching. Dramatic slow walk. Is it okay? It's okay, of course. Alright. Good evening, everybody. Got some low numbers, so I'll be leading 2 section for tonight. With Crispy in 3 section, and we have collapsed 1 section. Okay. For the ensign, welcome to Operation Knockout 1, made by Mr. Max here. Situation: the Republic of Iraq has been enduring prolonged instability due to internal strife, rampant government corruption, and a significant ISIS presence. An Iran-backed coup has overthrown the legitimate government, and the new regime is close to turning Iraq into an Iranian puppet state. The development must be prevented, as it would provide CSAT with strategic gateway to Saudi Arabia and other Middle Eastern countries, potentially causing significant disruptions to Western economies. The area of operations is under partial CSAT control, primarily operating from the occupied Farabad International Airport. The puppet president, Objective King, is currently on a state visit in the local area to consolidate his rule. Your mission is to capture and extract him to prevent the signing of critical documents formalizing the new regime. He will be traveling in an armed convoy. Additionally, you are to seize a local refinery, Objective Petrol, to halt enemy crude oil extraction, thereby hindering their future operations by forcing them to import oil. Once these objectives are accomplished, proceed to strike and capture Port Farabad, Objective Expert, to disrupt any further reinforcements into the region. Remaining loyal elements of the Iraqi High Command will secure these territories to facilitate the future liberation of Iraq. Enemy forces and presences: we are facing motorized, mechanized, and armor threats. There's no ID mine or drone threats. Civilian, rotary, and fixed ring presences are low. Problem mission: Objective King, capture the puppet president. Objective Petrol, seize an oil refinery. Objective Expert, seize a critical port. RE car is going to be Alpha. And then let's open our maps and have a look at what we are going to do. We're going to step off on our own time from base. We'll follow the route over to Assembly Area Evelyn. Once all elements have reached the assembly area, when we're ready to go, we'll step off towards ambush point 2, where we'll ambush the president's convoy. I assume the president is going to be in somewhat of a SUV limousine kind of vehicle. So make sure you watch out what you're shooting at. We're going to try to have 2 sections at Clovis, blocking off the convoy, and 3 sections at Lullaby, running up their ass and getting them from behind, basically. We are going to try to eliminate the escort
President's
vehicles
going to
and
die.
secure the president alive, so we can extract him by whatever means necessary. Doing this, KRH will be setting up their main assets at Trident to provide fire support and to help us take out the convoy escorts, as well as blocking off any reinforcements that may be coming in from the airfield. Once we have hopefully successfully secured the president and have extracted him, we are going to turn around and cross Faceline Hera. The next objective is going to be Objective Petrol, the oil refinery, which we are going to take. 3 section will set up at 4 Point Jenga, while 2 section moves around south and then moves up from the south onto the oil refinery through Rodent to pull the enemy fire and to give 3 section and KRH a chance to cross the, I assume, open field and assault the oil refinery from the north. So 2 section is going to be the support element to draw their fire, and 3 section is supposed to move into the refinery and gain a foothold. Once we've moved in, we're going to start clearing building by building. 2 section and KOH are going to set up at Jabba and Helios. These don't have to be exact positions, just general directions to fight
That's
off
gonna
any
be
enemy
fun.
reinforcements maybe coming in from the west and northwest. Once we've captured the oil refinery, there's some more stuff that we need to do when we're there, but I'll get to that when we are there. We're going to turn around once again and start moving across Faceline Hera. 3 section and the KOH MBT element will be moving to assembly area Georgia, and 2 section will move west and then south all the way up to Lemne. Here again, 3 section of the KRH element will pull the fire onto them and start assaulting through the town of Shirazan, and 2 section will attempt to somewhat move in, not stealthily, but trying to infiltrate the port from the west here, while 3 section and the carriage elements are
We'll be
dealing
going
with
for a
the
swim here.
hopefully main amount of enemies.
There's going to be
Once at the port,
so
we
much
need
fire
to
here.
fire all the enemies, push all of them out to clear it and secure the port, and prevent any further reinforcements from the enemy. Okay, let me go through my notes real quick. When the president is attacked at the ambush point, he will hit a panic button, which will call in reinforcements from the airbase. So we should be prepared to defend. That's especially for UKH. When we're looking at objective expert, any supply trucks, ammo caches, visible ammo containers, transport helicopters, all that kind of stuff at Port Farabat needs to be destroyed. And that's basically it. Once we reach the ambush point, we roughly have 10 minutes to set up. And once we have set up, it will take around 10 minutes for the convoy to get there. Okay? Any questions?
1-3.
Yeah. Yes, please.
So I have 3 questions. First,
Uh-huh.
IDF threat.
Yeah, there are artillery positions around the AO, so expect some.
Alright.
There we go.
Next, I am concerned with Trident at the ambush. With KRH up high, I'm concerned the convoy might spot them early on and get aggroed before they enter into the kill zone.
Yeah. If we could have KRH just stay back until we have made contact with the convoy, that should probably solve it. If there's a possibility to hide behind the rocks here, whatever this is.
Mark up formal point.
Yeah.
Alright. And third is I am still on forest strength. Is there anything we can mess around so that we're not so understaffed?
Can see you're on 4 right now. No, you're on 5. You've got Crispy, Bucks, Harris, Ellis, and Oki.
Oh, Harris isn't in my section.
He's going to be.
Okay.
Harris is carriage today.
Ah, perfect. Oh wow, more carrots and infantry, great. Alright,
Do it first.
if I can give you anybody. Give you Bo. No, I want Bobby. You have a medic, don't you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, Gand, if you'd be fine with switching to 3 section.
Yep.
Right, perfect.
Question Bobby went to.
Yeah, Bobby.
How are we getting resupply and reinsert?
Reinserts, we'll have to do them with TP, and we don't have LSS today.
No SS, that sucks for me.
Alright.
So let's pick up the vehicles then.
Yeah. Anything else?
No.
Radio.
Alright.
I am not expert.
What
That's for sure.
elements are going to be with the infantry on KH, and what are the MBT element?
So for primarily, we're going to have the 2 bulldogs with infantry along with the warriors force protection. So once the ambush is concluded, we can traverse the warrior back to provide force protection for the platoon element and have the MBT act as an outrider.
Okay, so 2-4 and 2-5 are the bulldogs there.
Yeah, 2-4, 2-5 are the bulldogs.
So 2-4 is going to be with 1-2 and 2-5 with 1-3, yeah?
A5.
And then 2-2 is the Chelly or 2-3?
Another warrior.
The 2-3 is the Chelly.
Yeah, 2-3 is the Charlie for today.
Okay. All right. Right, perfect. If there's no other questions, let's prepare our equipment and then let's step off towards the assembler, and then let's try to be there at 15 parts latest.
Paper.
Yeah. So 20 minutes from now.
Alright, Bobby.
Alright, where's...
Right, just actually, let's go back to the arsenal.
Where's Iverson?
Stratus, you sassy bitch.
Paper.
It's not my fault.
Yo, Ginge.
Yo.
On the map, if you want to take this map,
No, I'm on the log, but fair, right?
Let's get to one of these weird tent thingies.
This is Bobby. I'm also joining 1-3.
No, you can serve us.
No, I'm staying.
You gave Gand away. Let's jump into the tent over here. The first one. You guys coming? Bobby?
Yep, coming.
Alright.
They want to keep Bobby.
Want to keep Bobby under no circumstances.
I mean, you gave away the angry Geordie, so you know.
She tried to steal me, wasted.
I told you.
Under no circumstances. Alright. I would like you to tour, see if you're fine with that. I guess Aris is attached to you, so you both go red, and then Zulu, you go blue again.
Okay. I'm blue, dabba dee babba dow, dabba dee dabba.
Alright, perfect. We've got Solana on the LMG, we've got Man Medic, Bobby to a secret, and Ron, we'll get you for your point man, yeah?
Point with a stick, yeah.
Appointment with the stick.
80.
Yeah, I've got stick and I've got a few good 40mm grenades on me.
Have a marksman, do we? Yeah?
No, you gave Gand away.
Yeah, okay. That's fine.
I can double up as a marksman.
Yeah,
Of course.
you. Sure.
Of course.
Delete
Alright.
area.
Everybody make sure you're on 42 short range.
Zulu 42 check.
Okay. I would like somebody to carry some explosives if somebody has some space.
I got 275s on me already.
Maybe if somebody wants to sacrifice a stick for some
I've got some the 40mm grenade rounds.
We can appointment carry it because
I've got
Get
4
rid
of them.
belt if you want.
I've got another
we
belt
could
for you,
have
Sol.
4 explosives in total. That would be nice. So Ron, you're carrying 2, yeah?
2, yeah.
Anybody else able to
275s.
carry some?
I can carry 2 more. It's alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
I've got 8 40mm grenades now.
Okay.
Zulu, you're my man.
Got the
I'll need them.
MG belt though, because that was heavy.
And I have enough medic supply to keep myself alive.
Trigger.
You got a
Alright,
spare
we
trigger.
are going to be with the Bulldog 2-4. Gonna move to the assembly area first, and then we're gonna set up at Clovis. What I would like to do, well, I don't know what the terrain there looks yet, but I'll probably have maybe Solna and then another person somewhere on the side of the road to block off the enemy if the convoy tries to push through.
Okay.
And then the rest as on standby, maybe on the side, so we can jump in. But we'll see. Already excuse my bad squad leading. I haven't done it in a while, but we'll be fine.
Okay, this is one stupid question.
Yeah.
Is
There's no
Charlie
stupid
blue?
questions.
Is
Sorry?
Charlie blue or red?
Sorry, say again?
Is Charlie blue or red?
Charlie's blue.
Okay, it's MS1 too.
wisdom.
I'm shocked you didn't
yeah.
break every bone. in your
Iverson's
body
going to be your
down there.
driver from
Yeah, I know.
Hades and the Bulldog with the GPMG on it.
Right.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go to battle fridge a moment.
okay. Everybody got their shit. We got 4
Oh.
explosives. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Got enough sticks, I think. Yeah, 6 should be enough. And then LMG. All right, let's mount up, and then let's try to head out as soon as possible. All right, let's load up into the Bulldog with the GPMG. The first one.
I just said I was loading up to battle fridge. Wait for me.
Probably need to drive forward a little bit. Wait. Okay, everybody back up.
Yeah.
All right, mount up.
Is this one I can...
Yeah, pop out.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
For now. Hold on, stay here while I'll quickly dismount.
All in.
Intercom, cargo, done. Sorted.
Hello there, lads. I've noticed a little thing. I have very limited amount of fuel in my vehicle. Okay. Yep. Grand.
Fuel efficient.
We're becoming a mechanized. We're gonna become the fucking KRH
Yeah.
at this rate.
Literally. For one tank, the whole section of lobby tanks. Wow.
Normally it was like 2 guys in the carriage. Now it's
Yeah. Inflation.
I didn't know Max was into that.
Do you want somebody from us to jump on the GPMG?
Yeah, for now. Ariel will be joining in a moment and will take over.
Good luck, Iverson.
Would be nice if Ariel could join 3 section.
That would make too much sense though, and we don't want that. Yeah, it would.
I do apologise for all this sound that's going to come through whilst we're travelling in a vehicle. It's never any good for me, so I don't know what it's going to be like for you if you're watching the stream. I keep looking for something just to
Get some Mentos.
watch on Twitch.
Whoa. Should we step off?
Nobody's doing out interesting.
All ready for whatever.
Ready for whatever.
Mints.
We're on 42 by the way, short range.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm figuring some quick shit out here.
Oh.
Good to go, Iverson?
Yep.
Let's step off. No, 1 3, 1 2, stepping off. Out. Earlier. Ah yes, lunchbox of death.
Yes.
I know the M113 is worse.
Wait, why?
Metal boxes.
One question: why Warrior is on the front?
Sorry?
Why is Warrior is not on the front?
Because we're not driving a convoy, we're just stepping off whenever. Well, everybody just stepped up at the same time, so. Got the 2 bulldogs for infantry transport, and then the Warrior and the Charlie
I
for
mean, first time
force
seeing Bulldog.
protection.
I will call it modern M1 trainers.
It is with ERA, so stay away from it.
Yeah.
Both because of ERA and because of the driver.
Nah, Iverson is good.
You're in safe hands. This is
Hey,
only my
hey.
first time driving
Hey, he doesn't even wear a helmet. He's so safe.
No, exactly. I'm that confident in my
I mean,
abilities.
he's gonna be deaf by the end of the mission.
Well, I
He's
mean,
deaf
if we
already
if we
because
flip,
the engine's right next to his face.
you've got me as sort of your crumple zone, haven't you? So you'll be fine.
We've got the ERA as crumple zone.
It's always bad in a vehicle is
Do you gonna hit us?
voices.
Almost.
Quick spam screenshot.
I would love this thing right now.
Should have said that.
Jinxing.
Alright, quick reminder to not dismount without Iverson and me saying it.
Yeah, exactly, lads.
And then, when you dismount, please get away from the vehicle.
Immediately.
Run away.
Otherwise, I will drive you over.
Set up an AID.
5 meters from the vehicle.
But please don't drive off unless I call all out. Yeah, so if we're in combat, don't want to stand next to the Bulldog. Both because it's an AT magnet and at the same time has the ERA, so
Yeah.
don't want to get rushed
We
into
can
death.
change the discretional unit to mechanized unit.
Yeah.
We'll be there in 70 years.
Okay, that was weird as fuck.
What?
I just burped and it tastes like dog food.
What?
Why have you been eating dog food?
I haven't.
All stations want to.
Yeah,
Have you been like sleepwalking and
we're
eating
going to
it?
skip assembly
hope
area Evelyn and head up to our task areas immediately. Out.
Alright, so we're just straight up fucking skipping the assembly area.
Yep. Just drive to the buildings on the western side of the Clovis marker.
Yeah.
And then we'll set up there.
Great. So we're not going to assembly area. We're just gonna go.
We're in a convoy.
I like sitting next to the exhaust here.
Warm.
Poisoning, what?
Hello, 1312. Once the convoy reaches the ambush point, we're going to try to eliminate the first vehicle. Once you hear the gunfire and the explosions start off, you may leave your position and assault them from the rear. Over.
Wasted your one too.
Go that roundabout.
No.
You need to indicate.
You need to go
Fuck
around a
indicating.
roundabout.
I'm afraid you failed your driving test.
Mirror signal maneuver.
God damn it. Yeah, we're not driving proper here.
We're in the fucking Iraq.
We're on the wrong side of the road.
No, we're British.
Yeah.
The Charlie's slow.
Right. This will be where we fall out.
Talk about that. Do we know what the VIP looks like?
No, 2,
Nope.
3, 1, 2. Same for you. As soon as the assault starts, you may move to your assault positions. Over.
Right. Time to get ready, people. Shit's about to get real.
Harrison, hold shift.
Oh my.
Wow.
What? You really didn't know about this?
No?
No way.
Oh yes, KRH.
You know about,
it's my first
insert.
time driving.
Yeah, that's what she said, yeah.
You know about insert.
Alright, so those fucking White House buildings over there.
Yep, exactly that.
Yeah.
That's only building, bro.
Oh, that's a car.
Okay, go through the barrier on the right side. Just
Shooting
destroy
civilian?
civilian infrastructure, please. Iverson.
What? Say
Go
again?
through the barrier. Right side.
Heading through the barrier.
Barrier. 1, 3, 1, 2. We're breaking off and moving to our position. Out. Okay, if you could hold us behind that building there.
Yeah.
Go straight into the building, eh?
You are free to dismount.
Okay, dismount, dismount. And that's
Dismount.
Iverson, chill here for a second. I'll give you a position in a minute.
Yeah, will do.
Alright.
Let me out.
Red team, if you could grab the roof of the building and then set up on the southern side.
Your blue team, right?
Sorry?
Say red team.
Yeah, red team. You guys
Yep.
jump on the right building, grab the southern side, and prepare to initiate the ambush from there. I'm gonna come up to you in a second.
Am I going up the wrong building?
Alright, blue team, we're going to try to set up here. Let's get down the ridge.
I'm not sure we're going to be able to get into this building.
Do you want?
Ladder.
Do you want a trench in the middle of motorway?
You would be way too exposed. Don't really like that.
But
Thunder, there's a ladder.
Dig some trenches here, facing east, so we have somewhere to retreat to when we're on the road.
okay.
Okay, you guys dig trenches, I'll be right back. Iverson, if you could follow me.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's still
Can we
gonna.
get the vehicle to destroy these trees?
Iverson, you're on short range.
And the last one as well.
I just doing one that I was told not to do.
There's one more tree.
Wasted. Yeah. Are we allowed to shoot vehicle with AT immediately?
Thank you very much.
What vehicle?
You are most welcome.
On the convoy when they approach.
No, 1 sec.
Yeah, we're not gonna get much action down here. We're too far out. This ain't a good position. This.
No, it's not. There's no line of sight.
No, they ain't.
Dig a trench there.
Yeah, I did ask, but Wasted said no, it's too exposed.
It is, but I think that's not going to have enough line of sight.
No, it's not.
I think on that embankment, on the left,
Oh,
over
yeah.
there.
Well, that bridge down below, if I'm here, I can only see the third street light clearly.
Okay, blue team. Red team is going to sit up here. They're going to be the ones that stop the convoy, and we're going to be down there at the side of the road. We're going to be the backup in case they fail to stop the convoy. Okay?
Okay. Roger that. Right, so we're only backup just in case they can't stop it, so... Yeah, let's just stay here and then we've got last minute to stop it.
Yeah, do you want this one? Or that one?
Oh,
The left?
it's, at the moment I'm having this one here like this. Because it's just, this isn't right, this.
I think it's not the greatest ambush, to be fair.
It's really not.
We'd have been better off under there. And then shooting and catching them in the middle.
Yeah, we needed to be under that other bridge, really.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the middle. Because even all the way over here, we can't see it.
I might stick another trench in front of this one.
No, it's...
And for you, Iverson, as soon as the shooting starts, you can pop up and open fire.
Yeah, will do.
I can clean my goggles.
Want to send a message over? Yeah, we're still prepping the position. Out. Yeah, as I said, on the roof, try to stay low until the convoy reaches the position. Yeah. Roger that. Right, we're basically... So,
In a shit position.
Sorry?
In a shit position.
We're not supposed to be in a good position here, we're just the backup. Red team is going to eliminate the first vehicle just before it moves under the bridge. So they're going to stop the convoy basically right there where the ramp is.
Okay.
If they fail, they'll let us know, and then it's our goal to stop
Convoy
it
coming, I
from-
think. Convoy coming.
Yeah, I see them. Far.
Roger.
So it's coming down the ramp
Stay low
there.
and assault as planned. Sorry?
It's coming down the ramp then. I thought it was coming down the motorway.
It's coming down the main motorway, and as soon as it gets level with the ramp basically, just before it gets under the bridge, Red team is going to assault the first vehicle and attempt to stop the convoy.
Do I need a stick ready just in case for that
VIP
first
is the
vehicle?
fourth vehicle.
Say again?
VIP is the fourth vehicle.
Roger.
There are 5 vehicles coming. First is BMP.
One IFE after that, then a gas, then the.
1, 2, understood. Let's assume the fourth vehicle is the presidential vehicle.
What
so
colour is the
try not to hit that.
VIP vehicle? It's the
Black.
FEV. Black.
It's a
Black
vehicle.
copy.
Okay, so if they fail to stop the first vehicle and stop the convoy, you basically hit the first vehicle again.
Yep.
If they don't fail, you just hit the second or third, whatever. Yeah.
Yep.
So the range to the ramp is 200 meters.
200.
Yeah.
How about 200?
Right.
So if you can,
Vehicle noises.
Okay, get ready.
First one's yours, Zulu.
Aris, shoot.
Oh, is that one down?
Yeah, it's down. Hit the second one. Second one is down as well.
Alright, going for the third one.
Watch your fire. Watch your fire. SUV.
Open fire.
Dispatch.
Watch your fire.
Watch your
That's
fire.
President.
That first vehicle's still moving. The turret's still moving.
2, 3, 1, 2.
More dismounts.
You're going to have a good position to help us with the assault down here. If you want to hold
HV
position,
is alive.
and fight up
It's
any
hiding behind the
reinforcements that
vehicle.
may be coming in over. Are you guys able to cover us?
Yes, we can push.
Alright, blue team, let's.
Oh shit. Joys.
Classic.
Justify.
Of course.
That was fucking perfect, man.
Oh, that was beautiful, though.
Yeah, perfectly executed, guys. Really good job. Thank you.
That's all, folks. Good night.
Alright, that's all. See you guys next week.
That fucking sucks.
All stations 1, 2. Was fun
Clearly
playing with you guys.
Cathode.
See you next week.
His pixie magic did this.
So yeah, server's just crashed.
Well, if we have to restart, we can just start from the second objective then.
We're just waiting for it to kick us all out now, and then, yeah, get reset up and waste another 20 minutes getting set back up and in position and
2, 3, 1, 2. Great idea.
wait again. There we go. Been kicked. Way.
Jump back to the main chat.
Yep. Yep. Same.
Fucking die.
Yep.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Unconfirmed reports of Oki spamming items to fill
Negative.
the
I
log.
think it was Henry's late joining.
Negative.
Willful late joining.
Might be done.
Willful neglect by Oki once more.
Not sure about that one.
I did see one of the AI just fly up in the air when he got out of the vehicle. That was
That
funny.
was Oki. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It's a false flag operation.
An RPG round was flying directly in front of me.
Jesus.
I'm pretty sure I also saw the VIP
Melissa.
dead on the floor next to SUV.
No, it wasn't dead.
No,
Wait,
he
did
wasn't.
Oki shot HVT?
I did not shoot anything, bro. I'm the medic. I'm a
I've
pacifist.
just
I'm
heard reports.
Desmond Doss. You've heard wrong. Trooper.
Fucking Oki. I'm a medic, I'm
we
a pacifist,
continuing?
meanwhile the fucking eye on his hands.
So yeah. We'll just edit that if I can remember how. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Right, I'm just gonna do that for now. We've still got a bit of music. Yeah, I'm just gonna listen out to see what's happening. And yeah, we'll see what goes on. I'll switch over when I can.
How was the 7?
She's good.
Not great, not terrible.
So Oki, now that you're finished with your cheating run through of Stalker
Cheating?
2, are you looking forward to a non-modded playthrough?
What do you mean cheated?
Well, you sent me a picture of you having like 60 million rubles off one item, so you're cheating.
I showed a
Folks, can
cool
I interest you in
artifact I
KRH?
found, and he replied a day later.
Cool
calling me a
artifact, it was a
cheater.
slice of bread.
A cheating con. A day, by the way.
That was the file was so heavily restricted. That is
Right, I'm gonna grab another beer. Be right back.
Reasonable response.
Probably the firewall's been compromised. When your mainframe.
Command.
You do.
Yeah. That don't work having that there.
Guys, press space on arma menu.
Oh, by the way, if you want to go fast in the vehicle, press shift. Iverson.
What?
Iverson has just found out that the vehicle goes fast if you press shift.
Yeah,
You're kidding.
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Found out you can zoom in as
It's
well.
like
the
at
backlit.
least 15%.
Did you know that if you press V, you dismount?
Yeah, I know that part.
Oh, sorry, back up.
Right. I'll just switch to this screen at the moment because, yeah, I don't want any usernames and passwords shown. We should be joining soon. People just need to click OK. There we go.
I love how one of the loading screen pictures. I love how one of the loading screen pictures. There's just someone looking down the back blast of a javelin.
Except for this one. Yeah, that was me. That was me.
What the fuck?
Shut the fuck up, actually. It's just a rat con.
Waiting for host, Max.
What?
Wait, what?
Wait, Max is a furry?
What?
What?
What? That's what I've heard. That's what I've heard.
Confirmed?
What?
Confirmed?
Max very confirmed.
What the hell?
Even Sequoia said.
What the hell? Fucking Skype sound?
I ain't had that shit in years.
Who the fuck got a Skype call?
I don't know what's worse. I haven't heard that in years. Or the fact that I looked down to see if someone's actually fucking calling.
Ain't no way you still have Skype installed.
The
You old man.
the buzz is falling, bro.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna bully you on Ask FM. You have no idea.
Listen, she would be man enough to say that shit to me on
You will
MSN.
be anonymous,
Now
I
you
assure
need to
you.
add AOL.
Oh.
You got mail.
Really follow?
Didn't that guy die?
Hey,
recently?
away.
Yeah.
Jesus, Gibby. Fuck. You came in with like the effect of the toddler I pissed the bed mentality.
Wait.
Did that guy die
This
recently?
is the big question. Oh my god.
Oh, sod run into that. I'm going in here.
I'm getting out of there.
Yep. Load. There we go. I am ready to rock and roll. Once I do my radio.
Right.
4-2. And I'm being a smurf on the blue team.
Join the wasted.
Oh. Wasted. Where's your crotch?
My crotch.
Jesus
Just there.
Christ.
Fucking hell, that was loud. Wow.
Disgusting.
What?
Who took a shit in the toilet? It's disgusting.
It was one of yours.
It was fucking one of yours.
There we go.
Oh, what else do I have that works?
Just a
Don't
heads
have
up, I'm gonna go
cheese.
ahead and just rock this rifle mainly because from the range we're at.
What?
Yeah.
Do I have stamina bug again? What?
Okay, that one works.
Backpack's on your crotch.
Metal Gear Solid works. That doesn't work.
Yoink.
That works.
Industrial Society.
Okay, that one.
What
Industrial
you?
Society and Its Future by Theodore John Kaczynski.
Your mother.
What?
I like how the server crash literally just killed all the.
Seriousness.
Yeah.
He's gone.
Like, you guys fine? Let's crash. You finished with that.
What's just like planning everything again and sending everything back up and then the server crashes again?
I'm in Dublin. Just go. Straight row.
Okay, where's the rest of the section? Eris hasn't joined the group yet? Where's the
Yeah,
rest?
Aris join on us.
Yes. Were you? Was one of you guys into? No, you
Done. Nice. And radio 4-2.
Ah, shalom. Bedron. Okay. We're still missing 2, I think. We're missing Zulu. Oh no, Zulu's here.
No, I'm here.
Radio check.
Ah, yeah. Good. All back. Check.
Zulu 4-2 check.
Good. Okay, if you guys could make sure that we're carrying 4 explosives again.
Oh, yeah. More explosives.
Nice, nice.
Awesome.
More explosives.
For the port. If you want to blow up any supplies that they have there, or the oil refinery.
If we manage together.
Do you want anything bigger than 75 grams?
Oh, we have background. Welcome background.
I think that's necessary. Just take the normal sticks, I guess.
112s.
Yeah.
Are we gonna get TP or are we going to get there?
Just grab.
Misfire.
What are they doing?
Yeah. 2 112s and 2 75s then.
Yeah, that's fine.
Get in the gun.
Best put my helmet on, ain't I?
Okay, and then make sure you're on 42 again.
Stay clear, I'm quickly dismounting.
Oh, fucking Discord overlay.
Yes, radio.
Turn it off.
Never use that shit.
No.
Remember, hold shift.
Want to send a message over?
Everson.
Yes?
Remember to hold shift.
Remember to what?
Hold shift.
Oh yeah, I will.
Once
Meanwhile,
ready, you can step up to assembly area Jenna east of objective petrol.
Where is where's the rest of 1-2?
West of 1-2.
Yeah.
We're all here, aren't we?
Have they already mounted?
No. Can we not get a TP back to where we were?
Guess not.
Nah.
Wait, so what time are we expecting to leave?
Whenever you're ready.
Is this our vehicle?
And then we can continue. I'm just doing the plan again, Runner.
Oh, I got moved.
Three, we're gonna mount up. We'll just have Bugs join later if he does join.
Zulu, you're in the wrong Vic.
You're losing here?
What? I thought we were in the right vehicle then.
This is 1-3, man. 50-50 chance, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
There we go.
Hello,
That's kind of-
guys.
Hello again.
Did you run somebody
So
over?
loud.
No.
You know what? I'm playing
They-
with the
they
Xbox
hit us.
controller.
I'm just quickly driving forward here to let the ones who are ready go.
We're 1-2, bro. They're 1-3.
Perfect.
Losers.
One, two. This is 2-4. Let me know when you all mounted. Roger.
1-3, 1-2. What's I've got cathodes here. What slot do you need?
Right, it's going to be another 20-minute drive down there, so yeah, pull up a pew, get a coffee, get a drink of beer.
Are you all mounted up?
Yep.
Superb.
Alright. So I'm going to take that as an all-in and begin driving.
Yeah, all in,
Yes.
all in.
Yeah, good.
Assembly area agenda, please.
Yes, as you wish.
1-3, 1-2, stepping off now. Out. Ah, yes. Delicious cold beer.
And this time I have a shift key.
Make it life more easier. Press insert. Inserting makes you cruise control.
I would
Wait,
be.
it does?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, it does, man!
And you can use control scroll wheel to increase speed.
Yes, you can.
I
And
like
But
decrease.
if you know more than
You
HAR.
know what would be awesome as well?
Yeah?
I mean, Ariel just did it, but if you would wear a helmet, that would be really nice.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Alright. You're going conscious. I won't accept it.
We'll throw you out of the vehicle and leave you there.
Yeah, we'll just take the vehicle. Ariel can
Wait,
stay
what?
with us. She has a helmet, but you will just be left behind.
No.
So wear a helmet or be left behind.
Okay, fine, hold on. When we get to this piece of straight road, I'll wear a helmet.
He's hoping you'll forget by then. The 70 years
Wait,
it will take to get there.
What was I supposed to do again?
helmet.
I can't.
I'm not
again.
old guy.
I
Put your
can't
fucking
wear
helmet on.
Fucking helmet. It's not letting me.
I don't think you can do it whilst driving. You'll have to get out.
Okay.
Time now. Out.
When we get to the points, I'll take on the helmet then.
Okay.
Dad.
Bad!
Driver,
Yeah.
if you press 2 times V, you will get boost.
No. Don't play with me like that.
The funny thing is, it will play the animation of him jumping up first.
Yeah. And then we're gonna get the ragdoll and send it to the space.
So a crash. Again.
Alt F4 pulls up an overdrive mode.
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't lose that much time. By the time we back up and go to the second objective, it will be the same.
Roughly, yeah.
Yeah. So we didn't lose much time.
Yeah. But yeah, again, great job in the ambush. That went surprisingly well.
Yeah,
Mhm.
thank you.
Perfectly.
Fucking man getting 10 kills. Jesus.
Did I?
Yeah.
I killed everyone in the IFV. In the second one, Christ.
Man.
I was making sure the vehicles were disabled and I only got 3 kills.
I mean, who shot first vehicle?
Aris.
Nice, good job, Aris.
To be fair, 10 kills isn't anything like compared to last stop where I got like 46. Because it just banzai charged
This
us.
is a team effort. This is not a kill count. Who gets the most kills?
Oh, I got annoyed with last
What
stop.
counts is what we achieve as a team.
Exactly, lads. We gotta remain wholesome here.
Mm. What annoyed
Of
me
course.
about last stop was okay.
No, go ahead. I was just gonna bitch
Man,
at
shut
1-1.
up. You may now talk again.
Last stop annoyed me because my graphics went up to ultra high, so every time I got on an encounter, it fucking lagged me out.
How does it
What was
do
the
that?
last
I don't know. I think all my games reset their graphics.
Who the fuck is Bob Breyer?
Park in front of the Challenger.
Mike?
Alright, you're free to dismount, lads.
No, don't stay. If you could park us behind the building in front of you.
Yeah, will do. Hello?
Perfect.
Alright.
The sun.
Yeah.
I wish to look at. Oh.
I now
Do you
have
like
an
my
outdoor.
binos?
This, yeah, your binus.
Alright, listen up. Once we're ready to go, we're going to step off. 3 sections going to wait at former point Kilo, and we're going to break up south here. We're going to try to find a way through whatever this is, hill, rock area. Well, I have to see if we have to dismount, depending on the terrain, since we don't know what it exactly is. And then we're going to try to set up a position somewhere south of the oil refinery to open fire and pull their fire onto us. So 3 section together with the force protection from the KRH can assault from the northeast. Yeah? Make sense?
Easy as that.
I'm thinking if we set up around here, because these rocks are going to be in the way.
Yep. We'll see. I obviously have no idea what the terrain here is.
Yeah.
Maybe we have to move up here, whatever. We'll see when we get there. So Delta being the support element with the LMG gun, etc., and then we've got Charlie as the assault element.
Sonder is not LMG.
What?
Sonder is not LMG.
Of course he is.
He is HMG. The weight of the man.
Oh, HMG.
Heavy.
Heavy as fuck.
Slow and steady.
Well, seems how
Oi, losers.
1 3 2 3 1 2.
So yeah, we're not doing that first point because apparently we've already done it.
And wait until 2 section has found a good position to open fire on the oil refinery. If we do get engaged prior to us setting up, I'll give you a heads up so you can start the assault. Over.
1-3 will go out.
Alright, Iveson, if you could bring us pretty much, doesn't have to be exactly the blue line, but just around the hill there.
With me.
Yeah?
Say again, bring us where?
Driving
Just
this
follow the
blue
main
line
road,
is
or
going to
the
be
highway basically.
bullshit to follow.
You have blue line.
You need to follow the highway, Iverson. Left.
Now that's a highway.
highway to hell.
Police garage, police garage. Oh, I remember this map.
I have PTSD from here,
Yes,
Bobby.
I remember, man.
Oh yeah.
With me
hell.
fucking staying behind with the fucking worst laser guided artillery in the world.
And once you've reached the blue line, basically,
It's like
see
this
someone
building,
follow
this
it.
window on the right.
Yeah.
So you should probably cross over here.
Crossing.
Oh.
You're just
Trying to,
Jesus
when you're
Christ.
trying to knock down things, it usually helps if you slow down so you don't injure everybody.
Yeah.
Helo left side.
Oh, hello. Looks like a civilian.
Civi,
Don't
the
engage.
bell.
Don't engage.
One in the pilot, yep.
Rocket, rocket, rocket. Cooking the whole crew behind me.
1-2, eyes on.
Why did you sound like Nigel Thornberry there? Nah.
Yeah. Can you fire
Also, man,
a
where's
rocket
your rank,
in
bro?
the air?
I don't need one.
2-3, 1-2.
You're the man.
Disrupting
Yeah.
anyway, shots.
I've never put one on in like the 2 years of being in this unit. I never will.
Let's see the oil refinery on the west. There's another helicopter coming from the oil refinery.
That one looks a bit more scary.
Take a left here. Sorry, sorry.
Got it. Taking a right.
And then just follow the valley with the palms in front of us. Yeah.
Right. That's an hostile helicopter. CSAT. Got
I
door
just want
gunners.
to make friends.
There's the
Oh, fuck.
They are rude bastards.
Turn in.
Turn in, everybody.
Anyone hurt?
No.
No.
Fine is over.
Just as soon as soon as I see the bloody door gunners.
If the civilian bell comes back and starts acting weird, go ahead and give it some warning shots. You're clear to engage the enemy bell. Over.
Warning shots.
That was this was a
Right. Hold,
CSAT
please.
one.
Hold, please, Iverson.
Yeah, holding.
Helicopter approaching north.
Hostile CSAT.
Turn in. Can't
Yo!
Okay, full dismount.
Dismount.
Okay, and let's get in a column on me. Let's start moving southwest. Oh, Ron, you're the boy man if you want to lead us out north, southwest. Let's try to find a good position up there. Hello, 1-3. This is 1-2. We have dismounted and then I'm moving to a support position. Over. Okay, guns down, 3 speed. Keep your eyes open for any enemy patrols, and let's try to move west-southwest to set up a position up there. One, two, we have dismounted the vehicle and we're moving to a support position now. Over. Iverson, if you want to follow us slowly.
Yeah, following with 50 meters.
Do we not want to hook round to the right?
Yeah, a little bit, please. 1, 2, say again, over. Understood. Out.
Best to unmute myself.
1, 2, send message over. Okay, Delta, hold here.
We're not Delta, we're Charlie. Oh, we're going into a...
Into a line.
Delta, hold here. Charlie's gonna have a look at the ridge. One, two, understood. Out. Okay, get prone.
We're miles away. Absolute miles away.
See if we can get an eye. Bobby?
Yes.
If you move over the ridge line a little bit more northeast, there's some rocks that you can set up position at.
Get moving out.
Nothing obvious over there.
What's the range?
Sniper 340. 800 meters. It's on one of the smokestacks, red and white smokestacks. Sniper.
Eyes on.
HMG 347 degrees on top of a container.
Any vehicles you guys have eyes on?
Not yet. Sweeping.
My binocs are not working.
Reach our position. We're setting up now.
HMG 332 degrees container.
Okay, use my binocs. Okay.
Okay, let's start digging in here and set up position to support the other sections.
We're like 900 meters out, man. That's a long ass.
Yeah, we ain't shooting toffee from here. But okay.
Over there, we could get a crossfire from that side and a crossfire from that side.
Maybe if we move closer to that.
Digging in now to shoot at thin air. Oh no. Wow.
Okay, don't dig in. Might move in a second.
Are we digging in or not? Are we digging in or not? Or are we moving forward?
No, don't dig in. We're probably about to move.
Well, we're already being shot.
Contact southwest. Contact southwest, got it.
Right. Charlie, let's move to the others at the rocks. Watch crossfire. Fuck. Alright. Dig in and assault the, start firing at the oil refinery. There's a HMG on the black silo on the right.
Shoot it. Fucking hell, I can't see.
Okay, if we could have the bulldog up here on the ridge line to start opening fire at the...
This is utter bollocks.
We're too far out for 556.
I'm not gonna do fuck all. I'm not wasting ammunition, Badron. This is bullshit command.
We need to be down there.
We need to be at least within 300 meters of that place.
Yep, yep.
Zulu, Ron, if you guys could help me focus on the patrols that are approaching us from the southwest.
Pushing.
Absolute fucking bollocks. It's pissed me off as that now.
Yeah, it's just poor call.
So who's up here then?
Bad dudes.
Well, I hope they shoot me first and kill me.
Bobby, Charlie's pushing southwest to eliminate the patrol that's flanking up.
Roger that, we have one man down.
Who's down?
Sander.
Sal. Roger.
I think they're dead up here.
Okay, I'm going to top just in case.
Alright, try to get Solana up as soon as possible so we can start moving closer to the oil refinery.
Roger that.
I don't even see any dead bodies up here.
Bulldog from Badron.
Yep.
Do you eyeball the red and white tower on the west side?
Yeah, I think so. The large one?
Yeah, there's a shooter on the second level of that far west tower. Any chance you can blow his brains out?
Yeah, will do.
Alright, Charlie, let's return to the others.
Oh, the first dead body.
As soon as Solana's back up, we're going to mount up into the Bulldog. We're going to try to move towards the
Fucking twats.
Shooter on the tower is down.
I will shoot you.
Nice, thank you.
Soldier back.
Rog, let's mount up.
Well, we might as well leg it down there, aren't we?
Come on then, let's go for a jog.
That is like really close to the oil refinery there, where the trees and the bushes are.
Yeah,
Right, Zulu's in.
Are we all in?
Ron's
yeah.
in. All in.
Got it. Moving now.
Absolute bullshit.
Anyone need decision, guys?
Green, green.
Okay, try to stay
Banana
in
phone.
cover and not cross the open theater too much. Just
Yeah, got
basically
it.
northwest from here.
Excellent driving, bro.
The guys that I turn out could keep an eye on the southwest so we don't have any patrols when Empire has. Okay, hold at the rocks in front of us.
Yeah, will do. Alright, free to dismount.
Full dismount, full dismount.
Dismount, dismount, dismount.
Okay, column on me. We're gonna try to set up 2 positions on top of the oil refinery, basically. Gonna divide up in a second. Okay, Delta, if you guys could move north and focus on the oil refinery, Charlie's gonna move more northwest to focus on the exterior buildings here.
Roger that.
Hello, 1-3, this is 1-2. We've just reached position unfunny. Over. Patrol northwest between the silos. 1-2, understood. 8 contact. Out.
Recommending we move the Bulldog gun up.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Delta, focus on the main oil refinery. Charlie takes the northwest.
Roger that.
Took a round, self-med.
One of your guys just went down behind you.
Yeah, I've got a man on. Zulu, keep the fire going.
It's Soldier again.
Well, it's bad round.
Ron is down as well.
I'm up. Win the fight.
Yeah. Ron back up. Soldier still down?
He's up.
Up, but wounded.
Rog, focus on setting up a position towards the north.
Roger that.
Right, Ron?
Gonna move a bit further forward.
Kiabi.
Say again, Zulu?
Gonna move a bit further forward, because it's just Broward Hill, can't see.
I mean, there's nothing else to see. Let's dig some trenches like right here. I'm covering.
Okay.
Like where I am, so you're not too far away. We lack long range AT.
Lacking.
We're lacking long range AT. If there's like a massive tank coming from an open field over there, it's just gonna fucking snipe us. Like a Morse or a Javelin would be nice.
I'm gonna go 20 meters left and put up another trench.
Yeah, good.
Friendly's approaching northeast.
Taking rounds.
We just fucking died over there.
I'm taking shots from the
Shot from north.
left side.
Down,
Left side.
down.
Left
Okay,
side.
we has just reached the refinery. Make sure you PID your targets.
I can't see out to his left.
Right, Charlie, let's start moving to the others. But let's keep an eye behind us in case there's any patrols. Let's try to flank us.
Zooming down.
Oh, dig trenches for now.
Okay, Zulu, if you could get on security, and Bandron, have a look at our rear a little bit.
They're north below the.
He's fine.
Understood. We are still at.
You'll probably be fine. Bit of brain damage never hurt anyone.
Covering you.
1, 2, go ahead.
Pneumothorax. In. Let's get some blood in.
Quick reminder that we've got friendlies in the AO.
It'll be a little while till it gets up.
Obviously, if you guys could have a look at the south from time to time so they don't run up our ass with the patrol.
Yeah, got it.
Thank you.
And I'll give you 500. But then I'll stitch you up.
I think that's friendly. I hope that's friendly.
Right, let's give you a stitch. Then you should be fine. And then I'll go sort out.
Yep, I'm gonna stop.
There we go.
Thank you.
Now, stitching.
And
And you're good. Let's surrender. He's standing, of course, he's standing in the place where he can get shot at.
Yep.
I could do this.
And you ran away.
I'm okay, Bobby.
Oh, sorry, you were stitching me up.
Yeah.
You use typing F instead of morphine.
There you go.
So don't take morphine now.
Okay, guys, if I could
I
get
can
a quick
I can
ace.
give you something lighter. Just face.
Zulu ace report.
Should be fine.
Green, green.
Green, green.
Nice, because I've had to turn him down because he was too loud in the vehicle and now he's too fucking quiet.
Grab some supplies from the Bulldog. Bobby?
Green, green.
Man.
Green.
Green.
Harris?
Green, green.
Good on ammunition, medical supplies, special equipment. Roger. Bulldog. How's it looking on ammo, etc.?
I'd say amber.
Roger. Alright, if you guys need any mags, any medical equipment, grab it from the Bulldog now because we're about to start moving into the refinery. Okie dokie. Make sure you replenish your equipment. Let me know when you guys are good to go.
Fuck you, bushes.
Hello, 1-3, this is 1-2, message over. One, two, we're about to enter the oil refinery through the checkpoint at Market Jenga. We're gonna then move north through the silos and up to the gas station. Over. One, two, understood. I'll draw back line. Out.
Hmm? Yeah, I know.
Okay, everybody replenished?
Yeah.
Okay, Ron, if you could lead us out in a column, we're going to move through the checkpoint at Market Jenga, and we're then going to move north at the silos up to the gas station, and then back east down to the other buildings on our side. So we've got the western side of the refinery, yeah?
BMP front 303.
Eyes on.
Take cover, take cover. 80 below.
Range 250, range 250.
One splash.
Alright, good job. Ron, if you could step off and lead us out in a column towards Market Jenga. Oh, fuck, another one.
Taking another one, 282.
Me or you? Did I get it?
I need a range.
Wait.
I can't even see what this next one is.
331, range 331.
312, clear.
Yeah.
312, we've destroyed the
There-
enemy vehicles and now moving on to Market Jenga. Out.
There's another one, 271. That's an actual tank.
271.
Oh, fuck, yeah.
I can't see shit, I'm suppressed.
Get down, Centurion, 600 meters.
600 meters at 271, is it?
Facing southwest, 600 meters from our position. Over. Go Centurion, stay down, please.
I only got to 4.
Yeah, I've pulled the Bulldog back a bit.
He has guns on our position.
Wait, so shall we go back to the east?
Okay, we've got friendly vehicles coming in to deal with it.
Yeah,
Just keep your
Bulldog,
heads down.
fuck off, you're too lightly armoured.
Keep your heads down.
In the best possible taste, get the fuck out of here, Bulldog.
If he comes within 400 meters, I'm shooting it.
I can't
Just
believe
keep
I
your
hit
heads
that
down,
fucking
don't get
second
shot by it. We've got friendly assets coming in to deal with it.
I couldn't see fucking jack shit.
Zulu, I can see your IR laser.
So?
He hasn't got one, he's using binos.
Oh, he's using... Oh, is that your rangefinder doing? No, you...
Yeah.
It's smoking.
Is it fucked?
It looks like it. I don't know. I can only see smoke.
Where is it?
268.
Aye, eyes on.
He's not moving.
No, he looks to be dead.
2312, looks like the MBT's disabled. Good job. Out. Alright.
Down towards Jenga.
Yeah, let's go towards Jenga. We're stepping off towards Jenga. Call him on Ron. Bulldog, if you could follow us.
Yeah, will do. We'll keep you roughly 50 meters distance.
1-2, send over.
Bulldog, don't want to teach you anything, but maybe 100 might be better if there's that fucking heavy tank around.
Yeah,
1-2,
got
I
it, keeping
assume the
100.
refinery is going to have some fuel at the gas station that we're about to assault, so if you could hold off on that for a few minutes, over.
Shots northeast. I see, behind.
One, two, say again, last time. Go through the pipe here.
Delta double time to the west.
Two, understood. I'll try to get an airdrop in.
Contact 229 degrees.
Alright, let's move to the silos. Double time it, double time it.
Double time fast.
Red team cover,
Man
blue
down.
team move.
Man down.
Watch, Ron is down. Red team set a position here.
Where are we going? Everyone's just... Fuck's sake.
We're moving to the silos in a sec. Right, double time to silos, blue team. Red team stay here, cover.
Everyone's just... It's fucked up.
Right.
MBTC locked, you guys. Behind the building.
Okay, there's an MBT behind the shed on your west. Oh, never mind, it's PTR 40. Hit. Got Ron down. Red team, you able to move to our position?
Roger. Delta
Zulu, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just getting annoyed with things.
Alright, we're gonna bound towards the gas station in the north one by one.
I'm out for 15 seconds, self-med.
Yeah, I'm good. Alright, blue team we're gonna cover, red team cross to the next silo in the north.
Roger that. Delta, move to the north. Double time.
I'm up.
One, two, understood. If you could move west and support us, we've still got some contacts west outside the oil refinery. Over. Ron, you better to move.
Yep.
Blue team moving. Hello, 1-3, 1-2. If you could focus on the first buildings on the eastern side of our sector. Over. You guys good?
Yo.
Yeah,
okay,
you need a bit
we're
of help.
covering. Red team
A
move.
little bit.
Delta, move. North.
Stitching run.
Roger, man, you move with us.
FM. You're good.
Cheers.
Delta set.
Roger, man, blue team move. Keep an eye towards the east, we've got friendlies there. Okay, red team. Sorry, Delta, bound for the gas station, blue team covering.
Enemy vehicle northeast.
Friendly.
Friendly. Yeah, friendly, sorry.
Delta, move to the gas station. North.
Hello, 2-3, this is 1-2. Gas station is about to be secured. Alright, blue team, let's move up.
Gas station is clear.
1-2, understood. We'll move it up to you in a second. Out. Okay. Charlie, set up an ARD here. Ron and Zulu stay here as well. I'm gonna grab the fuel truck and drive it over. Oh, actually, Zulu, you grab the fuel truck and drive it over to 2-3, please. There, towards the northwest there. The rest set up ARD here. If I
Sorry,
could get
you want me to drive?
Solidor and Bobby on the first silo towards the south.
Right, so what vehicle you wanted me to drive? Fuck's sake, where have you gone?
And join them as well, please.
So, what vehicle am I driving where?
Yeah, contact 353. Contact 353.
Yeah, I can't hear shit. People are screaming down. I can't hear fucking shit.
Driving northeast towards the chalet. Yep.
Right. This. You want me to drive this fucking tanker? How'd you... You can't get in these tankers.
Let's hold position here for the time being while we refuel and everything.
Right, how'd you get in this tanker?
Sorry?
Am I getting in the tanker to drive it over there?
Yeah, I'll do it. Just stay here.
Right, fuck's sake. What an absolute
It's locked.
balls up is this?
Should still be able to use the fuel pumps.
They can't drive over here. They're completely black on fuel. However, they managed to do that.
Could be towed over.
Iverson.
Yep.
Never mind.
Oh, I couldn't fucking get in
Mine
that.
has a particular honor that I can just lockpick this thing.
Fuck my life.
My god.
2-man patrol, 217 southwest, rocks.
One with radio. Long range. Both have radios, probably spotters. Might expect IDF.
Can't see him because of fucking smoke.
Alright, geezer.
How's it looking over there?
We destroyed one squad on the south. We are currently engaging vehicle on the west.
Roger.
Hostile heli.
Direction.
North.
Eyes.
Man down. Soul's hit bad.
Enemy tank southwest west. Enemy tank southwest west.
Roger that. Wester, are you alive?
Hello, 2-3.
Is somebody alive next to you?
It looks like we have an enemy MBT that just took out both bulldogs.
I am with blue.
Are
All
they good?
blue. Yes, all.
Nice.
Guy's been taken out now.
Alright, just hold position for now. IDF, get down. Bruh. Yep, there we go.
Hey! Fuck this shit.
One per objective, guys.
Fuck this shit.
We'll be done by midnight.
I'm ready for calling it quits now.
One note for the next missions, don't use IDF. I think this is because of Ace, how to call it? Ballistic.
We had similar issues with smoke and mortar shells.
No,
last
it's
time.
about fragmentation. I think there's a problem with Ace fragmentation.
Yeah, I'm fucking calling it a night on stream. I can't be asked with this bullshit. I got fucking bad command shooting fucking.
Yes,
oil-
my dear.
Get him
Do you want me to offer it as LSS the rest of the stop?
Shooting
I
and.
really would, but I should
Oh,
fucking.
fuck's sake. Shooting oil factory from 900 meters out with a 5.56 gun. I can't see anything even if I wanted to. Obviously we've missed the first mission, didn't do that. Obviously we're not going to start at fucking oil refinery again, we're just going to go down to third party mission if they do mission. I'm just going to call it quits. I'm gonna stop streaming. I'm gonna chill out for the rest of the night. I'll play some Guild Wars off stream. So anybody watching, thank you for watching. Been a nice hour, 2 hour whilst we've been here. Obviously I'm just gonna stay down here and disappear out into the darkness. So yeah, I'll see you Monday maybe. I don't know if I'll stream tomorrow. It's Sunday, isn't it? We'll see how I feel. But yeah,